What's up, family? This is your boy, Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you need a loan but you have bad credit? Have you ever wondered which loans are the easiest to get approved for people with bad credit? Payday loans, automobile title loans, pawnshop loans, and personal installment loans are perhaps the easiest loans to be accepted for. These are all short-term cash alternatives for consumers with terrible credit. Many of these solutions are intended to assist debtors who want immediate cash. Personal installment loans. For borrowers with less than perfect credit, these are unsecured personal loans. A personal installment loan will normally provide you with more money than other quick cash choices such as payday loans. With a personal installment loan, you'll also have extra time to return it. Borrowers often have several months to a couple of years to repay the loan and interest. Payday loans. These are similarly unsecured loans, but they come with lesser amounts of money and a shorter repayment period. Borrowers often have 2 weeks to repay these loans, or until their next salary. They might be difficult to repay on time due to the increased interest rates and short payback duration. Even if you urgently want funds, thoroughly explore your options before taking out this form of a loan. Car title loans. This is a secured loan, so you'll need something to secure it. The title of your car would be the collateral. This implies that if you don't pay back the loan by the due date, the lender has the legal right to confiscate and sell your car. If your vehicle is essential to your daily life, this makes these loans extremely dangerous. Pawnshop loans. However, in this scenario, the collateral might be any valuable object you own that the lender will accept. Jewelry, electronics, musical instruments, or any other costly thing might be involved. The lender pays you cash for the item's value, and you receive it back when you repay the loan plus interest. If you can't pay it back, they can hold and sell your goods. Before deciding on a loan, think carefully and conduct an extensive study. To avoid any bad repercussions on your credit score, be sure you can pay it back on time. Now that you know, go get that money.